Welcome back to another video, my peeps. You are now rowing with the Rose. My name is G with my wife DV, my two sons Young G and Joshi. Alright, so we took a little family vacation, to the Grand Bahia, Runaway Bay, Jamaica. This was late 2020, during the pandemic, during COVID-19, so you can watch the video and see what it is like at the hotel, during COVID-19. See it? Leave your comment in the comment section, leave your feedback on this video, and remember to subscribe.
Life so sad, coming over it, no matter what.
I big promoter. We're at the Grand Bahia, DV, Young G, and this is we. Yes, so we just check in at the Grand Bahia and we get an instant room upgrade, you see me? I don't know, them said she was there, so them just upgrade the room. So I'm going to show you the view, I'm showing you everything we're going at the Grand Bahia, you see me? Yeah, mad mode. Them say the baddest room we get, that's true. She said me I see whole of the ocean.
Yeah.
What they call it down there before, but not a space.
For one, keep floating. Yeah. Yeah, young Josh right here, so still a whole asleep. You don't know. This is what the room them look like. Double bed. You see me? Double bed, you see me? Request a crib for him. Said a crib yeah. Come in after we check in. Cause we request it. You see me? So yeah, that's what the room them look like, you see me I say. Hotel room, yeah, that's what they all look like, you see it. Yeah, so as me say, about 8 o'clock in the morning right now, we're about to go downstairs, go have some breakfast, you see me? So this is how outside look right now. And as me say, not much people there. Like in a September, around them time, the hotel is normally fully booked or almost booked out, you see me? But people there, you know, but not much people. But on a regular, you would see people already in a pool, you know what I mean? Already on the beach. You'd see more people walk around, but it's okay for me, is it? We forward yesterday on the Friday, so it's now the Saturday. We're gonna leave the Sunday. You see me? So last night them have some beach party on the beach. You know what I mean? Few people was there, some tourists, and you know what I mean? It was a good vibe. So we not touch no pool yet, we not touch no beach yet. You know what I mean? Cause we just forward in yesterday. So today we are gonna do all of that. Some water activity, some whatever else they have, you see me? So stay tuned to the vlog. Look who is up. Young Josh. Look who is up. Young G. Look who is up. DV.
Been up a long time now.
DV. Yeah, people say don't know. Must have to wash, you know. Dry and ready again, you know. Is it? Give me him. Make him feed. Let's go.
Jesse, you like stacks? Good. Oh. Stand on the floor, little baby.
Yeah. Tia, come now. Black me. Go on, black.
I'm ready for breakfast now.
Wow,
Are we ready?
Black me. So far away.
Hey Josh. Hey Joshy. Good morning. Good morning, Papa. Good morning. Hi, Garland. Ready for breakfast? No, you're eating Oreo. Yeah. Papa, hold on. Put that soda down. We are going down to have some breakfast. You can have some nice juice. Put down the soda, please. Drink some water. Okay? Drink some water. Okay.
Then I'll go get some breakfast now, you see me? So, breakfast time. Got the breakfast now done.
Thank you.
Alright.
Can you say hi? Hello.
Breakfast area.
Well, I can cook everything, but I'm not eating that one I cook every day. I want waffles, I want omelette, and pretty much this was what I had yesterday, you know.
Be a Jamaican food, me take.
No, thank you.
Yeah. When you done blow that? Eh? Young G!
The free, the free space is allowed, alright? The free space is allowed. So we're going to start right now with the first number, ladies and gentlemen, from the G, ladies, G number 46. What did I say? It's G 46.
Young G!
I got pina colada, daiquiris, and a Bob Marley. Which
The
one
one,
you
the one
want?
with a bonnet. Yeah, yeah. One with a bonnet. Can't get that one.
He's gonna turn that over. He's gonna turn it over.
No, no, no. No, 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 no.
Yes, turn it over, turn it over.
No, 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 no. Alright, 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 alright. Oh, yeah, crazy, man. Why do we too juicy?
I don't have any food. Hey, I want to touch that.
Come. Come now, man. COVID. COVID post that. Well, Stone Love. Stone Love sound is a champion sound. Don't know what for mask up. Mask up. You see me? Bob, stay there. Lobby. Here we are. Bless it. The restaurant in here?
Nice. It's a Japanese theme tonight, so
Japanese theme. Oh, this shrimp.
in cornflakes.
Okay. Shrimp and cornflakes. Okay.
Pudding, Papa. And take out him something. And the fried ice cream coming.
Fried ice cream.
Yeah. Taste this, it don't taste bad enough. Rice pudding.
No, rice pudding. There's a fried ice cream. Fried ice. Fried ice. Fried ice. Fried ice cream.
That tastes nice. That is nice. What's your name again? Now it's about to go in. What's your name again?
The buggy.
The buggy coming for us now.
Yes, soon. You will want to leave. Why? What you want to do? You want to sleep?
Which one's so close? You right here. Come. Who can you? You can't reach. Wash. Nice
So any
restaurant.
parents have any concern
Jap- this is a Japanese restaurant named Knife, you see me? So you have to book a reservation to come here. So otherwise, if you want buffet style, you just go buffet restaurant anytime. But if you want to come to Knife restaurant, you have to make a reservation, you see me? Yeah.
Yeah, here we go. Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, the fireman. Here we go. Yeah, ladies and gentlemen, make some